Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel At Home with Morgan. Today I'm doing a get it all done, a shop with me, tidy up with me, clean with me, and decorate with me. I hope this gives you all of the weekend spring cleaning and spring decorating motivation. So if you need all of the motivation this weekend, then just stay tuned because I've got you covered. Hi guys, all right, so in today's video, we're going to be doing a shop with me as well. I'm going to Homegoods to check out all of their spring decor. As you guys know, I'm not super into like the Easter and like the palette-y, like pastel colors, but I know I'm gonna find some good stuff today, so let's head on in. So I just got done shopping. Did you get a toy? Did you get a toy? I just got done shopping in Homegoods. I got Coda a toy, which was fun because RYKER'S squeaked it the entire time. But I found some I found some really good finds. So let's go home so I can show you what I found. Okay, do not mind the dusty floors, but this is one of the things that I got from Homegoods. This one was, I believe, $29.99. And I can't decide if I'm gonna put it in this corner in the entryway or the other one. I do need to do some touch-ups on the trim and the walls here, which I plan on doing in my spring cleaning videos. But I also got this plant. This was $24.99, which was a little spendier than I wanted to go, but it just looks so perfect in here. I think I might do some filler so that you can't see this other vase, but just to give you guys an idea. Okay, so to give you guys an idea, again, I know I need to like clean up this entryway so badly, but I'm thinking that this looks really good right here. It has good length, it's fake because this corner gets very awkward lighting, so I can't necessarily do a real plant here that has like really long grasses like this, so this is perfect. Okay, also we are in the middle of redoing this basement bathroom, and I want to go more like softer tones, so like a boho nautical feel. And I saw this guy at HomeGoods. This is actually really heavy to hold with one hand. It's like solid wood. I got it for $30. It was a Tommy Bahama brand. So I'm thinking that this guy is gonna kind of be our main piece in here. It might inspire some of the other colors that are in here as well. But I love, love, love the ocean, and I love whales. If you guys didn't know, I like grew up wanting to be a marine biologist, so something about this guy just like spoke to me, and he had to come home with me. Okay, so the rest of my haul, right now is one of my favorite times to get candles because you're not necessarily going to be getting like the fall scents or the winter scents. You're going to be getting just those, you're going to be getting those all year round friendly scents. I do like warmer scents, and like the stress relief, the meditate, these are my favorite. This one, chai, I mean, look how cute these jars are too. Like these are going to look so cute up on the shelves. They're not obnoxious. The chai is super great. I got 2 of these. Lavender sandalwood, great for the spring and summer, smells so good. And then have these cute like wood tops. The jars are really cute for reusing, whether you want to use them for like toiletries in the bathroom or whatever it may be. I will show you guys how to do that once these candles are gone. So I got 2 of the meditate, which again is the lavender and sandalwood. And then I picked up a stress relief, this eucalyptus and spearmint. I would have grabbed 2, but there was only 1 left. This one is so good. It's so good, and it's like so springy and so clean. And then I also got this, which I'm not exactly sure what kind of stone it is. They had amethyst as well. I have amethyst. But if anybody knows what kind of stone this is, let me know, or what kind of crystal I should say, because it's obviously crystal inside of the stone. So anyway, I do have a bunch of amethyst, like I said already. I'm sorry, my nails are like super dirty because I painted Kaya's nails blue and black last night, don't ask. So I've got like black nail polish stuck under my nails. But if you guys know what kind of stone this is, leave it in the comments down below. I plan on putting this in with my decor, like somewhere in the kitchen or in the dining room, just because it's very like boho feeling. And then the last thing that I got from HomeGoods was this little plant pot thing. I don't have a plant in mind for it quite yet, but it was cheap. It was like $10. So I figured I would grab it, even if it was like for outside, because we are going to be building a deck this summer and doing our fence in the backyard. So this might be something that I put out on the deck or the patio. But yeah, I thought it was super cute. That is going to conclude my HomeGoods haul. But yes, highly, highly recommend for candles. I mean, like, look how cute all of this stuff together is. I'm loving it so much. All right, time to finish cleaning. All right, so starting the tidy up part of this video, my house is a complete disaster. I swear the kids just destroyed. As soon as it's nice and tidy, it is destroyed again. If you are living the mom life, leave it in the comments down below if you can relate. I feel like I can never get ahead of the mess, and I'm constantly cleaning. But I try to make it enjoyable for myself, and I do little things like put my laundry detergent and softener into cute little containers like this, just so it's like more aesthetic. I don't know, it just makes me happy to do laundry when my laundry room looks like this. It is so messy right now though, because we have so much laundry to get through. I feel like I've got 2 loads every single day to fold and to wash. It's insane. Here I'm just doing some of the laundry, folding it up. The kids are playing in their bedroom while I'm doing this, and you'll see Coda. Of course, you guys always love to see Coda in my clips. It's so funny. He's a needy boy. But I am going to let you guys enjoy the laundry motivation. If you've got a pile of laundry to do this weekend as well, don't stress about it. It is supposed to be beautiful this weekend. I hope you guys get outside and enjoy the weather by yourself or with your friends or with your family or with your kids. Get out there and enjoy some vitamin D, soak up that warm sun, and don't worry, the laundry will be there when you get back inside. And my suggestion is to do it late at night with some jams in your ears after the kids are in bed, and then treat yourself with a little snack or a drink and enjoy the night after that. So, all right, you guys, I'm going to let you enjoy the laundry folding, and I will touch base here in just a minute.
Know
right, the living room. We are always cleaning the living room. This is after like 3 days after I did the spring clean with me video. I swear this room never stays clean, but I am just organizing out the toys again. My kids do a really good job of cleaning up at night, but this is one of the days where Riker was home and just destroyed everything, and I was going to put it all away while he was napping so I could get ahead of the mess because we did have plans that evening. So that is what I'm doing here. Again, I go over all of the details for the living room and like what our plans are in my spring decorate and clean with me videos. If you've not seen that video yet, I'll leave it linked up here for you guys. And also you'll see me like chatting in this video. It's because Mike just got home from work. He usually gets home around 4 o'clock, right before I go and get Kaya. And I was just chatting with him about his day and talking to him about all of the insanity about my day. That's just something that we do every single day he comes home. We just like talk about the chaos and laugh about it. And then he usually goes into the shop and starts working on M&M orders. And that's just a little look into our evenings. And last but not least, I decided to share some spring decorating with you guys. Now, I found these little carrots. I didn't feel like the colors were too crazy. I found them in the dollar section at Target. They were $1 each, super cheap. And here you'll see me putting those candles away that I found at Homegoods. I forgot to share the prices with you guys. All of the smaller candles were $6.99 and that big black one was $7.99. Again, they're just really good all year round scents. I really love the chai one. That one is amazing. The lavender and sandalwood is my second favorite. I mean, honestly, I love them all, and the eucalyptus spearmint is really good too. So here I'm just decorating, putting those new pieces away. I am in love with the crystal that I got. I feel like it gives it more of a boho vibe. I am in love. All right, you guys, I am going to wrap it up there for today. Leave it in the comments down below what your favorite part of the video was, or your favorite part of the decorating. I would love if you guys considered subscribing to my channel before you leave. I also have my personal channel where I share day in the life videos and mommy vlogs and all the things. So head on over there if you love that kind of content, and I will see you guys on Monday for another motivating video. Okay, bye you guys.